All right, so I've got all my stitches picked up and now I'm ready to start knitting my cuff. If I want just a plain edging on it, instead of that knitting that very first row, I'm just going to take and purl that very first row. And that's all I'm going to do is purl the first row around, and then when I do the next and subsequent rows, I'll be knitting the rest of them. If I want that fancier picot edging, it says knit two together and yarn over. So what that means is you're... I know, sorry. What that means now, and you'll notice I'm using the new yarn. I'm using my inside color. You knit two together, and then you do a yarn over. Now, do you see how I did that yarn over? I take it to the front and around. Okay? So you knit two together and do a yarn over. For those of you that hold the yarn in your left hand, it looks like this. Knit two together, yarn over. Well, excuse me. Knit two together, yarn over. Yes, 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 that's exactly what we did there. Knit two together, yarn over. Okay? Then when you get to your second round, when you have that all done all the way around, you're going to knit the yarn overs as though they're a stitch. So what that means is you're going to knit, this is my knit two together, so I'm just going to knit that. Here's my yarn over, I'm going to knit that. My knit two together, my yarn over. Knit two together, yarn over. And by doing that, it creates this, yes. And that scallop, when you fold it in half, creates that little bit of a picot edging to it, like that. Yeah, it is pretty, but it's kind of a little on the feminine side, so it depends on who you're making them for, I guess. But that's the picot edging.